Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Facebook on Huawei Nova 13 Pro. Let's begin. For this we won't be using the app gallery because first of all the app gallery sucks and they have a lot of different things here that, well, this looks just like a garbage, to be honest. It's a bunch of random things and that try to be Facebook, but as you can see there is no Facebook here, and that is not a Facebook, my friends. So in order to actually download the legit one, we'll have to use the GSpace here. Now if you want to know how to set up, how to enable and how to use GSpace, we have a tutorial on that. It's called How to Install Google Play Store. Since we'll be downloading all the stuff from our Google Play Store, which is not normally available on any Huawei phone right now. So we simply hit Facebook here, and now we'll open the app will automatically open our Google Play Store. And as you can see now, we can install the legit Facebook. Oh, sorry about that. So we simply hit install, and as you can see, it doesn't want to install. So let's just, oh, the app, yep, the app froze. So let's go back and let's try this one more time. The GSpace application is not perfect, as you can see. They have a lot of ads, but as long as you don't click anything random or anything stupid or basically anything like that, you should be fine. Now I see that it doesn't really work, which is interesting. So let me just restart the whole GSpace here. And let's go back to it. I've encountered similar issue while trying to install Google Play Store, but not on this Huawei phone, on the normal Nova 13. And basic restart of the application helped for me. So honestly, I don't know. If you get yourself a Huawei phone, you basically earned it. You know, like, why would you do this? I have no idea. You have to play around with random third-party applications in order to hack yourself an access to like a normal application that anyone else just have normally. And even the Google Play Store, man. And have you seen the app gallery itself? Like, it's full of garbage. That's crazy. I will double check my Wi-Fi here, but I think... no, I am connected. Yeah, as you can see, we cannot install Facebook right now. Just pretty funny because the C command ways to fix the problem won't work here, since well, they don't usually work on any Huawei phone. Yeah, it would be very funny if the support page would just tell you that you need to change your phone. That would be very funny. Okay, let's say understood, and let's try that one more time. So we restart the GSpace and we go back to it. That's interesting. I haven't encountered this issue before, so let's try one more time. But this time we'll go directly from the Google Play Store. We won't click on the Facebook like before. Okay, and yeah, I know how to use it, don't worry about me. I'll just simply go to Facebook. Oh, actually, I got Facebook Lite. Oh yeah, we can actually try with Facebook Lite. As it is smaller version. Okay, this one installed fine. Let's try with the normal Facebook. As it could be basically just the size of the application you want to download. Or, oh no, okay, so the simple restart helped. If you have any issues, any similar issues, well, I can't tell you to change your phone since probably that's too far gone now, but you can try to just restart the application or restart your phone if it's still not working for you. And yeah. And after it's installed, we simply hit open, and now we have a Facebook on our phone, though still it is not really installed onto our device because it's still a GSpace clone of it that is used. It's using cloud and internet in order to basically host our own version of Facebook, because as you can see, how to do, okay, here if I just go to with Facebook, we don't have any applications here, especially on this device, but we can still have our little clone here after we go to GSpace. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.